It has never been easy to build wealth than it is today. And the reason I say so is because that smartphone in your hand is a tool that you can use to get started on your wealth creation journey. And that is why in this video, I want to share with you 4 apps that can change your life financially. So if you want to uncover these apps, then make sure you don't skip any part of this video. Please do me a favor and give the video a thumbs up. And also, if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that you always stay updated by YouTube anytime I release a new video here. Many people are walking around with smartphones in their pockets, and what they don't realize is that those smartphones has the potential to change their lives financially. Smartphones have gone beyond just making calls, surfing the internet, and chatting with family members and friends. With your smartphone, there are apps you can install and get started on your wealth creation journey. So basically, I'll be sharing with you 4 of these apps that you can install on your phone right now and start using them to build wealth. But mind you that this is not a financial advice. Everything I'll be sharing with you in this video is strictly based on my own personal experience and my own personal opinion. So it's to be in your best interest to also do your own research before you go ahead to start making use of any of these apps. So in no particular order, the very first one is Cowrywise. Cowrywise is an app that can help you to start saving money. Don't pay attention to people who will tell you that saving money won't make you rich. They might be right to an extent, but that statement is not completely true 100%. And the reason I say so is because you can't actually build wealth if you're not saving money. Saving is an important part of wealth creation. So you first of all earn, you save, and then you invest. That is how it is meant to be. So it is important that you have savings, all right? And Cowrywise is an app that can help you to start saving money. One thing I love about Cowrywise is that it has an auto save feature. So with this feature, you can save money automatically on the app without having to rely on willpower. So let's say you want to be saving 5,000 naira every single day, all right? So once you create an account on Cowrywise, you can set the auto save feature to save 5,000 naira for you every single day. So every day, Cowrywise will throw into your bank account, deduct 5,000 naira for you, and then save it on their platform. So whether you want to save daily, you want to save weekly, or you want to save monthly, this auto save feature on Cowrywise can actually work for you. Another reason why I love Cowrywise is because it helps you to build discipline with your savings. Let's assume that I want to be saving 5,000 naira every single day. I want to save consistently for the next 90 days. All right. Now, as soon as you are able to set your savings target, no matter what happens, you will not be able to break your savings. You have to wait until the maturity date. And for me, this is one reason why I love Cowrywise, because it helps me to build discipline with my savings. I've been using Cowrywise for about 4 years now, and if you ask me, I would say it's one of the best decisions that I've ever made. All right, so you can go ahead and install this app from Play Store or from App Store, sign up for an account, and then you can start saving. The next app on my list is Afrinvestor 2.0. If you cannot build a publicly listed company from scratch, at least you can afford to invest in publicly listed companies in the Nigerian stock market. And the easiest way to do that is by investing through Afrinvestor 2.0. So this app allows you to invest in Nigerian stocks. So if you want to invest in Nigerian companies like MTN Nigeria, Dangote Cement, Dangote Sugar, Vitafoam, you can invest in all of these companies in the Nigerian stock market through Afrinvestor 2.0. And you don't need to have a lot of money before you start investing using this app. With as little as 5,000 naira, you can start investing in Nigerian companies through Afrinvestor 2.0. And by the way, if you want to learn more on how to get started with investing and making money from the stock market, I have a free beginner investing training that can walk you through all of that. So if you'd like to be a part of the class, you can feel free to use the link down there in the video description, as well as in the first comment of this video. So go ahead and click the link. I'll be waiting to welcome you inside. So basically, when you invest in stocks, there are 2 ways you can make money. You can make money through dividend payments, and also you can make money through share price appreciation. So to make use of the Afrinvestor 2.0 app is free. You are not paying any money for it. You can just go ahead and install it from Play Store or from App Store. They can go ahead to use it. Afrinvestor 2.0 is owned by Afrinvest Securities Limited, which is a licensed stockbroker in the Nigerian stock market that has been operating in Nigeria for over 30 years. That's one of the reasons why I am so confident to actually recommend this particular app to you. The next one is Risevest. Risevest is an app that allows you to invest in dollar-denominated assets. As you and I know, the Nigerian economy is not stable at all. So you don't want to take the risk of leaving all your money in Naira-denominated assets. So what you want to do is to diversify your portfolio by investing in dollar assets. So with Risevest, you can invest in different dollar-denominated assets. You can invest in US stocks, you can invest in US ETFs, you can invest in dollar mutual fund, you can invest in dollar real estate investment trust. So basically, Risevest allows you to invest in dollar assets. And with that, you can diversify your portfolio and also protect your money against inflation and against Naira devaluation. And then finally is ARM1. If you don't want to bother your head thinking about which asset to invest in, you don't want to be asking yourself, should I invest in stocks? Should I invest in ETF? Should I invest in bond? Should I invest in real estate? You don't want to go through all of that stress, then you can make use of ARM1. On this app, you have the opportunity to invest in mutual fund. What exactly is mutual fund? Mutual fund is a type of investment where you give your money to professional asset managers. And these asset managers helps you to invest the money into different asset classes. So ARM1 is actually a professional asset manager that you can hand over your money to, and then they'll go ahead to invest the money into different investments. On ARM1, there are different types of mutual fund that you can invest in. So they have money market mutual fund, they have equity fund, and others. So when you go to the app, you can see a variety of mutual fund that they have, and then you can go ahead to make your choice based on your financial goals. So these are the 4 apps that you can use to get started with your wealth creation journey. Just a quick recap. Number 1 is Cowrywise. Number 2 is Afrinvestor 2.0. Number 3 is Risevest. And number 4 is ARM1. So let me know in the comment section below, which of these apps are you already using, or which one do you plan to start using next in your wealth creation journey? I'll be waiting to read your comments. So thank you for watching the video to the end, and I'll see you in the next one.